Hi guys, how are you, fellow illuminators and new friends? I'm Rebekah and this is Body Illumination. Welcome. Today I am sharing with you my favorite green smoothie, probably my favorite smoothie. This delicious smoothie is plant-based nutrition. It's great for energy, clear skin, weight loss, and detox, and it just goes on and on. It's just packed with nutrition.
Breathe.
And it's super easy to make, and it's great to have on hand, especially if you're trying to get into plant-based wellness and you are just super busy. If you're a busy mom, busy professional, busy dad, whatever is going on in your life, you don't have time. And what happens lots of times, especially if you're a caregiver to someone older or younger, what happens is your diet is the first thing to go. You're taking care of everybody else and you're not taking care of yourself. So it's really important to have something available. So my recommendation is to plan in advance.
Hey, and also stay tuned to the end of this video and I will share with you a very effective planning tool.
Have smoothies in the fridge that you've already prepared, either the day before or 2 days before. These can last about 2 or 3 days in the fridge, so you can make them in bulk. It's great to bulk process so that you can have them available later on. Okay, so let's get started. This is really easy. I'm going to show you some different options. Basically what you need is some almond milk or whatever you prefer. I'm using organic, unsweetened. You can use vanilla, whatever you prefer. And then you're going to grab some parsley. I have some beautiful fresh parsley that I got from the market, and also cilantro. So I get the curly parsley and I get the flat leaf parsley. It's totally optional. I mean, I like to get variations in my diet. Cilantro is awesome for you. If you don't like cilantro, the taste, for whatever reason, I love it, then you can try the parsley and add spinach instead. You can add whatever greens you want. This is one variation that I really love because cilantro is a natural chelator, so it gets all those heavy metals out of our body, out of our bloodstream. If you have one serving of cilantro a day, it gets rid of 86% of heavy metals. So I fill this up with probably 3 to 4. I just like really push it in there, really get it in there. And then I also add bananas and organic pitted dates. So you can get, these are from Trader Joe's, you can get them anywhere. Again, it's great to get organic. I just add a couple of dates. You can add them for sweetness, okay? And then the bananas, the same thing I can add. You can have 1 banana, you can have 2 bananas, whatever you prefer. And then put them all together right inside. Add a little bit of water. Now I'm going to show you some other options. So that's pretty much the extent of it. You can also add, these are all optional, hemp seed. Hemp seed's great. It makes it really smooth. Now from there, I like to also add maca. Maca powder is a Peruvian root and it's great. It's an adaptogen, so it's great to balance out your hormones. So I add about 2 tablespoons of that. What I recommend is if you're trying any of these, that you just try a little bit at first. If you haven't had these before, it takes your body a little bit of time to adjust to new foods, new herbs, anything that you're doing. Just try a little bit at a time because I don't want you to have some detox effect, which is called a Herxheimer, because you had too much at first and it might be killing off toxins, which is great, and that's what food does, just like garlic. It's natural antibiotics, natural remedies for us in our food, but sometimes you have a bad reaction to it and you're like, I didn't like that, I got sick on it. The reason you're getting sick on it is because you're having a die-off that you can't process quick enough. So start with just a little bit at first. Okay, now this is chaga. I love chaga because it gives you a lot of energy. It's just chaga mushroom. I'm going to show you links of all of this below. Another little recommendation I suggest is when you get all of your herbs and supplements, you put them in containers. So I don't have to go through all my little baggies. They come in all these cute little bags that are a big pain in the butt. So I put everything in containers. Now, this is big. It should go in the smoothie. You get wheatgrass, barley grass, chlorella, and spirulina. That's that 4 power, awesome energy right in here. So you're gonna detox, you're gonna get energy from the spirulina. I mix it all up. Barley grass, wheatgrass is phenomenal. And I mix it all up and I put it in this container. And then, if you have glass containers, that's even better. Then you get all of this and put some water, ideally filtered water. So I'm using my Berkey filter. And then I have 2 NutriBullets, a super big one, and which is really cool because it heats things up, and also a little one. You should love what you're eating, and this stuff I really love. I've been drinking these green drinks for years and years and years. I notice how I feel when I forget to have them in my morning or my afternoon. It's such a great, easy way to add wellness into your lifestyle. And it's yummy too. It's really good. I love it. There's so many benefits to greens. So give it a go.
Chin chin! A great, easy way to invite wellness into your life is to track it and to create mindfulness in what you're doing in your daily life. So if you want to get healthy, be fit, lose weight, be happy, then you should start tracking what you're doing. So I have a tool that I created. It's an interactive journal. Track your daily workouts, track your water intake, your food journal, your weight, your chanting, meditation, your vitamins and supplements, create gratitude notes and affirmations, and define your goals. And it's completely free. So subscribe to our newsletter and you'll get this download for free. Okay, here's how to use my daily journal, which you can get from my website for free. You need Adobe Acrobat, which you can download for free, and I'll show you a link below. You can also use it as a printout and you don't need anything. So if you prefer to write, which is equally as effective, then you can just print this out and fill it out daily, keep it in a nice binder or journal. Or you could go someplace like to your local Staples or Office Max or any office supply store, and you can print up a bunch of them and have them bound and use them monthly and keep filling them out. That way it's an awesome resource to have when you want to see what's working in your life and what's not working. So it's pretty cool. Start by opening it up in Adobe Acrobat Reader, and then it'll open up for you. Obviously, you have to download Adobe Acrobat Reader first. And then you can go in, and there's little areas in here where you can put in the food journal, what you ate for the day, an apple. In the morning, you can put down that I had a salad with some quinoa and some veggies. So whatever you ate, this will scroll, this little box here, you can keep adding to it and it will scroll down. However, if you take this, edit it, and then print it out, you might not see the scroll. So then in here, in the gratitude area, put I love this day. Thank you for all the wonderful friends I have and people in my life. Then you can also go into the other areas of it, like the goals, and put down whatever goals that you wanted. You can also add your workout schedule for the day, so whatever you did. And I also I have up here how much water you are drinking for the day, which I find personally very helpful. Now, another little resource for you is if you click on the bottom, you'll see my website link and you'll also see my YouTube. So if you click on that within your phone or within your computer or tablet, it will bring you to my website. And this is a nice little area to find my videos and information. A lot of people are not that YouTube savvy with the whole interface. If you are not, then go on to my website and you will find all of my videos and information. You can also click on the YouTube and it'll bring you right into my YouTube videos. So go in and edit these as you like, or if you want to, just print them out. Like I said before, print out a bunch of them. So there's 3 different options to use this. The first one is to use it on your computer and keep it on your computer. So you open it up daily, fill it out, then save it on your computer and do that daily. Or you can open it up on your computer and fill it out, and then print it out and keep hard copies. And the third option is to just print it out and fill it out, which is really fun. It's very popular with the bullet journaling, and you can make little pictures, you can put stickers on it, you can illustrate something, or put a little rainbow on it to motivate you, because doing that sometimes is even more effective than typing. So it helps. This all helps with mindfulness.